Alright guys, I'm back for another video. We are going to open up a few of these Orbeetle boxes. Dual purpose tonight opening because they have a few Vivid Voltage, which we're still on the search for Chubby Chew, Rainbow Rare, and there's some Darkness Ablaze, and we're trying to build out the set on that one, so we can definitely use both of these at the same time. So let's go on and get into it. Wish us luck. Alright, so we'll open them up. Burning Shadows, Darkness Ablaze, Vivid Voltage. At least one white code card. Come on, baby. Give us that Charizard we're looking for. Bodybuilding Dumbbells. Sandygast. Rhyhorn. Marill. Caterpie. Morlo. Lunatone. Oh, dude, I see it. Do you see it?
Yeah.
On the top? Gardevoir. Yeah. It's good there. Excited. Save you for last. Alright. White code card from Darkness Ablaze. Maybe we'll get Charizard VMAX again. That'd be nice to get him out of here. Simisear, Lunatone, Staravia, Purloin, Starly, Bounsweet, Aron, Cubchoo, Torchic, Toxtricity. Go over to the right. White code card Charizard. Final test. Jirachi. A lot of nothing. All right, last 2 packs. They are white codes. So at least the ending of this video will be alright. Give me some fire. Loudred, Linden Stadium, Zebstrika, Choodle, Riolu, Kameko, Linkada, Voltorb, Grapplock, and Edge/V. Last pack magic. Come on, baby. Give me something good because it has not been good. Electric Energy, League Staff, Charmeleon, Pincurchin, Mudbray, Joltik, Weedle, Taillow, Sandile, Samurott, Galarian Darmanitan. Dang it, guys. It's frustrating.
So frustrating.
So frustrating. Didn't get a lot of nothing, man. I guess we're just gonna have to be on the lookout and continue the search for Pikachu. Alright guys, a very bad showing today of these boxes. Didn't really get anything. Got a couple V's, got a Gardevoir GX. I mean, nothing worth more than $1 or $2. So, yeah, today kind of burns. So, we have other things that will have better luck. I have better luck with the ETBs and booster boxes. We got both of them. Got one there, we got one there, and one underneath. All of that, and we're gonna get to those soon too. So, search continues. Wish us luck. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.